Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anjum Sheikh, and before starting today's video I just want to thank each and everyone that is supporting my channel, is subscribing to the channel. It really means a lot to me. So about today's video, I started my preparation around 5 months ago. So back then I did not know how to make notes or how to make shorter note that would be easy for me to revise. So I just jot down everything that I ever read in any book or saw in any video. So now when I see back in that notebook, it's really very hard for me to just revise them. So in today's video we are just going to jot down that bigger notes into some smaller notes. So let's get started. So hey guys, let's just start with polity. These are all the notes that I ever made for polity. So yeah, all these books are really huge, and inside also there are just paras and paras of information that is not all relevant for our exam. So we are just going to jot down this into some small notes. So hey guys, it's day 1. We are going to start with the first book of polity that we have. As you can see, inside there are just paras and paras. So now we will jot down this big book into some smaller notes. I have my pages, I have my pens, and also made myself a coffee. So now let's get started. So now it's 1 o'clock in the night. Originally I was going to start this tomorrow morning, but I was done with today's topic, so I thought why not start today only. Yeah, so that's the reason why I'm starting this so late. So hey guys, it's 4 o'clock in the night and now it's time to sleep. As you can see, these are all the notes that I made today. I almost completed 4 to 5 chapters. So yeah, I'll meet you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Morning guys, it's 9 o'clock in the next morning. So I usually get comments that I don't take sufficient sleep or I should increase my sleeping hours. So I usually take naps in the afternoon, so that balances out my sleeping hours. So I suggest if you're studying at night, you should definitely take naps in the afternoon. So I just had a 2-hour lecture that was conducted by our coaching classes. Now it's around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm done with the session. So let's see what we have to do next. So hey guys, just a quick update. The day 1 is over. So yesterday we started the book 1. So these are all the notes that we made from the book 1. And today afternoon I also started the second book. This is the second book. More than half the book is over, as you can see. And these are all the notes that I made from book 2. We still have these 2 books to complete. So hey guys, it's day 3. Now the time is around 9 o'clock in the morning. I will just work out, then have a shower and then meet you guys. Bye. So hey guys, a quick update. I've completed my second book. These are all the notes from the second book, and now I'm going to start my third book. Actually, about the third book, almost more than half the book is covered by only one topic, that is Parliament. As we all know, it is a huge topic. So I already made the notes earlier only about this. So I don't think I'm again going to make notes about this. So I'm going to just skip this portion and I would start with Supreme Court. So let's get started. So many of you would even think it as a total waste of time, but I don't see it that way, because I know when I have to revise this, it would be very much easier for me if the notes were shorter. So hey guys, day 3 is over. As you can see, I completed the third book, and yeah, tomorrow we are going to start this huge fourth book. It's almost 300 pages and it's almost full. Tomorrow is going to be a disaster. So let's see. I'll meet you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning guys, it's day 4. I just wanted to start my day by reading something so I would get into that study mode. So I just took the history book from the shelf. It is India's Struggle for Independence. It's really a good book, and history is not my favorite subject, so I just like to read a little bit each day so that I would be in connection with history. So yeah. So it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. I read few pages from that book, and then I took a shower, had my breakfast, and now I'm starting the fourth book. This book is really huge, so today is going to be a bit tiring. So let's get started. So hey guys, a quick update. I made myself a chai. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening, and as you can see, many pages are remaining. So let's get back to studies. So it's 12:30 in the night. I'm really exhausted, so I just plugged in my headphones, played some instrumental, made myself a coffee, and now I'm all set to start my studies again. So as many of you told me that I should sleep early, so I would definitely next week try to get up early every day and see if that suits me well and good. If not, then I would still continue with my night schedule. So let's see. So yeah, after that session I just took a 2 minute nap on my study table because it was really necessary. So after that 2 minutes in heaven, I just went, washed my face and came back to studies, and now I really feel energetic. So now I could just sit for more 2 hours. So let's get started. So if you are a beginner in this exam, I just want to suggest you that try to make your notes as small as possible, because when you have to revise them, the shorter the notes are, the easy it is to revise, and revision is the biggest part of our preparation. So yeah. So it's 4 o'clock in the night, it's almost my time to sleep. So I could not complete the whole book because it was really huge. I tried to complete most of it. I completed the important topics, the remaining topics are just miscellaneous, so I could complete that gradually. Like I could complete one chapter a day and then finish it in next 4 to 5 days. It's not that important. So yeah. So yeah, these are all the notes that I made in past 4 days. I really think that was a very important task to do, because almost the pages of the notebooks was approximately 700, and I just jot down 700 pages into just 60 to 70 pages. So this would be very much easy to revise whenever I have to revise them. So I made a separate binder for polity. As you can see, this contains all the notes that I made today. It also contains the notes that I made earlier. So if I have to study polity, I just have to go through this one binder. So just to show you what's inside this binder, these are all the notes that we made in past 4 days, and I just have a folder behind in which I have the notes that I made earlier. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope this would be helpful for you all. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.